Hello everyone, today Knäckebröd. Knäckebröd or the Swedish traditional bread. All Scandinavian country, they have this crunchy bread, really tasty, different than other bread. It's so good. Most of them, they use it for breakfast. They call it breakfast bread. Let's start. 200 gram rye flour, raw meal is rye flour, 9.2 protein, 100 gram spelt flour, 12.4 protein. Really nice and healthy. This rye flour 200, then 100 spelt flour, 4 gram salt, 4 gram sugar. We mix together. 200 gram water, 10 gram fresh yeast, 80 gram sourdough from rye flour, then 20 gram melted butter. So simple recipe. All you need is just to mix it together, make everything emulsify. Back to the bowl. Make sure the fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, fresh yeast, you can use 2 gram of dry yeast. You mix all together with wooden spoon first. After that, you use your hand. So again, 200 gram rye flour, 100 gram spelt flour, 80 gram sourdough, 10 gram fresh yeast, 4 gram sugar, 4 gram salt, 20 gram melted butter. You mix all ingredients together. Wooden spoon is very easy to mix the dough. Then you can bring it to the table and use your hand. The dough is very soft, it's not hard. You can see you need the dough as much as you can. So to make sure that all ingredients combine together. Then you bring it to the table until clean from the table. You see first it's sticky. After that, when you knead it for 5 minutes, it becomes very elastic and soft dough. Don't increase any flour, just follow the recipe. Then you put back to the bowl, cover it for 1.5 hours. Then I mix, I keep it. After 1.5 hours, I take out the dough. I dust the table with little flour. Then I spread the dough square. You can cut square or round, is up to you, but maximum 2 millimeter high. So the dough is thicker than 2 millimeter maximum. Then you dock the dough. If you have docker, will be much better. If not, use fork or use the knife. You can see the dough, really nice, full of benefit. There is no all-purpose flour, it's just dry and spelt, and both Flour is really healthy and good for digestion. You don't feel full when you do it. You take all the extra dough and then you roll it and keep it for 5 minutes. Then you can roll it again. You must preheat oven 230 Celsius 10 minutes before you bake, so to be very hot. Then you bake. It takes almost 8 to 10 minutes. Just to be golden, as you see, very thin, 2 millimeter max. You can cut any shape, rectangular, square. You can add it also on the top. Some herbs, oregano, thymian, cumin, salt. But the famous shape is this rectangular one. You can make it round. I put some thymian on top and some oregano and other. You doke it and bake. One of the best experience you have with this knäckebröd in the breakfast, when you start your day with this, you feel really refreshment. (230°). When it becomes golden, it's ready. You can see beautiful light golden. Here the round one, you must upside down after 3 minutes. Then you bake again.